Ekor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Menteri yang bak kejela konrat kisang ma hak khanyu turik ngaitung aja punrio ulalet yishimenta halet nyam beding klam hak snong tuber bar hakani kasngi ulapan menaru bak sorkar jela kan sawara shen yakawe ka Skhim batmai ka batmu bapen klan yakijing tei bat kijing tunkam kibai dei bat kijing mane ka culture bat ka history hakaleng kejela mikhalaya haba ajing kren hak kijing elang pat ba konrat sangma ulong bak halet nyam beding klam hak snong tuber ka de kawe na halet nyam kibahe tam hari lum jantia berulai tu kani kadi kesin kebaar berulai yolat bani simenta baban saki hakani ke jinglet niam ka bajulong sisian sisnam ulai tu bakas Skhim ke bakas sokar mikhalia kan sawara sian kan long namta kasin raj ka sengkhasi barkentup ru yaki balang kristan ba per baru yaki wipat ki kenhunyam ki badan hamikhalia na Skhim na ajing rap ru bantai yaki museum ba ki galeri baban Pynneh yaki history ba ka Riti Dustur joki jai beri ba per ki badan hapo ka jela.
Wetan lubham de em girong kiwa katre yo no ja girong ki de em bagi kami siapa di full of this beautiful and wonderful creatures. One of which is Pynbna festival. So
Well, this is my second visit here. I have come before, and every time I come here, I see it get better and better. And the way the people have come together to really be part of the festival, it's a wonderful sight and a wonderful feeling. And for us as a government, we have always believed that this is the true identity of the people of our state. This is what makes us who we are. This is our culture. And it is very important that we keep it alive. It is very important that we pass it on to our generations. And therefore, ensuring that it is celebrated with the right spirit, and also ensuring that the participation is there from the people is very, very important. So I take this opportunity to wish everyone a very happy Bedingklam festival. And as we know that this is a festival which is meant to ward off all the evils or diseases that are there, and in the new sense, all the kind of bad vibes that are there. So therefore, it is a lot of deep meaning, even in today's world and today's society. So therefore, it's a very meaningful festival, and as I said, a very important part of our culture. I am very keen as a government to support and to further improve the infrastructure for festivals like these. Very soon, I will be announcing a program and a scheme specially meant to promote different aspects of the religious, cultural aspect and the history of the different religious groups in our state, whether it's the Senrites in Sinkhasi, or the Christian religious groups, or any other religious group. We are here to support and to be able to create different aspects like museums, like historical facts and cultures. All of this will be done. Just recently I was speaking to our Presbyterian church leaders who had mentioned about putting up a museum in the memory of Thomas Jones. And so under the same scheme, we'll be taking up those museums, and for the Catholic Church also, as well as for other denominations in other places, and also for our own traditional religion and the Senrite and the Sinkhasi and other religious organizations that are there. We'll be supporting them in the days to come. As I mentioned in my speech, that there's a proposal to set up a gallery and a museum here. So as part of a new scheme, we are planning to support the proposal that has been given by the Senrite Prof. Tuber. And the idea, as I said, is to give infrastructural support and ensure that the history, the culture is also captured through these different initiatives. And the support will be given to different religious organizations throughout the state. The idea, as I said, is to maintain the cultural aspect and the history and all the documentation of the different religious groups that are there in our state. The amount demanded has been 10 crores. So as I said, since we'll be giving to all different groups, we'll be working out what the amounts will be. As I said, there is a demand and there's a request from different religious organizations. We will be coming out with a comprehensive plan. As you're aware, in anywhere in the state also, when you are committing something to somebody, you have to also remember the impact it has on others, and others also expect. So therefore, realizing that we want to take a comprehensive approach, not to kind of leave out anybody, any religious group. So it will be a comprehensive plan, and the proposal given by the Senrite Tuber will also be included in that, and we will see how to move forward. Yeah, it will be coming up in the new session, resolution. No. We'll be coming up with in the session that's going to be in August. August 27th is the date before which a session has to be called. So the 6 months period gets over on August 27th. So during that session of the autumn session, that's when the resolution will come up.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on Mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride